Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given flower puzzle as you can see in this figure. So we have got these three flower parts as you can see. The first part is labeled as 12. The second one, the middle one is 13. So what number should be assigned to this third part? Can you figure out the answer on your own? You may pause the video and take your time. So let's get started with the solution, and we are going to focus on the flower petals. And we are going to count the spots on these flower petals. And now let's focus on this left hand side flower part, and let's focus on the petals of these flowers on the left hand side. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots on these petals. I'm going to write down 5. In the middle we got 4 of them. I'm going to write down 4. And on the right hand side there are 3 spots. Let's go ahead and add these number 5 plus 4 plus 3. That is going to give us 12. And now let's focus on the middle one. And over here we can see on the left hand side this flower has 3 spots. The middle one has 5 of them, and the right hand side has 5 as well. If we add those one, we are going to get 13. And now we are going to look at the right hand side, and we can see that this flower, the blue one, has 5 spots. The middle one has red spots are 6 of them, and then the right hand side there are 4 black spots. Let's go ahead and add these one. So that means when we add them we get 15. So that means this assigned number must be 15. Thus our answer turns out to be 15. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.